brides in the UK, other people do everything and they just relax and drink the wine and get the makeup in, but I do everything.
All the thing.
Yeah.
That's it?
Lift it off.
Alright, okay, yeah, we've got it. Alright. Two.
Everyone says I look like my dad. My dad's an architect. Where they live, my dad designed that
cool.
street.
Out of the room.
But is it easier to go up them steps and then into your bedroom?
No, trust me.
Okay.
You don't want to be going up spiral or carrying. What's it ready for you?
No.
You missed the light?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Do you want this against the wall?
Anywhere for now.
Anywhere for now. You get the bottom.
SWEET. I still got it on the road.
Did all this for yourself?
And I ask lots of friends to give me bottles. So lots of friends drink lots and give me the bottle. And then I spray them.
Cool. And this?
So you just put the copper pipe in there and you turn it and you can cut it. And then you get these pieces and it's just glue. As long as you measure it right. And then you just glue it together.
Good design.
Me.
Cool.
All me.
So problem then.
And how about this? Your best seller?
This is just, you just buy the big sheets of plywood and then you mark on and then you have got a big machine and just zzz, and like this and then done. Simple.
On each.
Just do it round. Siedzi. I hadn't started school by then. Maybe three, 4.
Yeah.
Jason's so proud, doesn't he?
Yeah,
He's got
he
a proud smile.
Yeah. At that point? 5 or 6, yeah. A long time ago.
Ta-da!
我是东北人，我喜欢东北。
中国东北、英国东北都喜欢。
Soft gift.
Wedding album. The music that we are having for the day is on the CD. Explodes. Forms a love heart. Yes. So I've got 8 of these. They'll go off at certain times, and the fireworks will last for about 20 minutes. That's me running around over there somewhere with.
Oh my! Oh, this is the most amazing.
How many of these have you made?
60.
60. 60 cakes, plus there's a wedding cake for 40, which means we've got enough cake for 100 people.
And who did this?
And Emily.
Me and Emily.
He never leaves the seat up or wet towels up on the floor. The toothpaste has the lid on and he always shuts the door. He's a very active person, as are all his next of kin, whereas she likes lazy days, he'll still like her at the gym. He romances her and dines her, home cooked dinners and the like. He even knows her favourite food and spoils her day and night. She's thoughtful when he looks at her, a smile upon his face. Will he look that good in 50 years when his dentures aren't in place? He says he loves her figure and her mental prowess too, but when gravity takes over, will she charm with her IQ?
This is Bruce.
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 Bruce what? Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee, Bruce Wayne. When she wants to do the bigger competitions and the bigger jumps, she uses.
Your sister.
Yeah.
Oh, he's the rider.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's professional.
Not professional, just like it's a hobby, but with this one she does quite well.
She says she loves his kindness and his patience is a must, and of course she thinks he's handsome, which in her eyes is a plus. They're both not wholly perfect, but who are we to judge? He can be pig-headed, whereas she won't even budge. All that said and done, they love the time they spent together, and I hope, as I'm sure you do, that this fine day will last forever. He'll be more than just her husband, he'll also be her friend, and she'll be more than just his wife, she'll be his soulmate to the end.
Right, head on music. Take one. When do I turn?
How slow do I need to walk?
Put your 10 round with it.
Oh no! Hear me, what's happened?
You take my hand.
And then I go.
You're the rest. Then he sits down. So having to hold.
All yours now, mate.
Thank you, we're married.
And then everyone claps. And then where do we go after that?
No one cares.
done
Everything's
after
over.
that?
Yeah, yeah, finished.
What's this?
This is a present of Kevil. Where's my bird right?
大王鹿倍儿帅。大王鹿倍儿帅。Yeah, because Amy loves J. Cho, 周杰伦, and I teach her 周杰伦倍儿帅。
So you wouldn't describe a girl as bird right?
If you wanna describe a girl, 倍儿漂亮。
Very nice. I like me watches.
If you look underneath as well.
Don't most men like watches?
Oh, look at watch under the actual watch. Take the thing out.
Right, okay.
What does it say?
Bershwai? Bershwai?
Just met.
It's about time I had a father. Oh, don't say enough.
Oh, what does it say?
It's about time I had a father I could be proud of. Well, not yet.
Couple hours.
A lot of Chinese I've forgotten, but when I was in college, study Chinese, we have to always do a speech, the same speech. So I remember this. 你好，我叫小米，我是英国人，我很喜欢中国。我的12岁要求把请你们8月20日好。
That's a good boy.
Oh, listen to that noise amazing.
Mum's waiting for a response.
I know.
Did you get it, Jason? Yeah. Oh, he's one behind you.
To your shoulder.
Yes. Dead eyes.
This is my first time to see this shoes for wedding.
Really?
Yeah. It's special.
But Keith, like, I don't want to be like Keith. I want to be small.
We don't look like Keith. No one's gonna get mixed up. No.
Jimmy.
Yeah?
Have you got a mark off the gun?
Yeah, on your shoulder.
Yeah, I've just noticed it.
It's on my right shoulder.
Oh yeah, just noticed.
Have a look at that. You might need that.
I think that's perfect. That's it. Yeah.
I've never done it on someone else though.
I know. It's a big moment. I'll get a map.
Today seemed a lifetime away, now suddenly it's here. How did it happen so quickly, this wedding drawing near? How can I sound so happy on this very special day, when in just a short time I've given my daughter away? I wish I could grasp a moment and make the clock stand still, so I could let my heart catch up, but I know I never will. All the worries of being a parent, most of the battles won, but no one ever warned me about the day the job is done. Yet there is another side where my heart is not so sad, when I look into my daughter's eyes and I feel joyful and glad. For I know that I was privileged when this child was lent to me, to love and care for and nurture, so she would grow to be this lovely, bright young woman today, a beautiful bride, and as always I am here with love at my daughter's side.
I think he deserves a round of applause.
Hi, Keith Stott.
I, Amy Rachel Davies.
Take you, Amy Rachel Davies.
Thank you, Keith Stott.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded husband.
Amy, I've chosen to spend my life with you.
Keith, I promise to care for you.
I promise to be loyal.
To remain true to you.
Loving and true to you.
And above all.
For the rest of our lives together.
To love and respect you always.
This seat is ideally located both in relation to the heat source in the winter and a cross breeze in the summer. It also faces the television in a direct angle, allowing him to immerse himself in entertainment and gameplay without being subjected to conversation. It's a single point of consistency in an ever-changing world. Keith says if life was expressed as a function in a four-dimensional Cartesian coordinated system, his spot, when he first sat on it, would be 0, 0, 0, 0. That's Keith's spot. Failing that, he just falls asleep and rises when food is ready and is always helpful around the house. I'd also like to thank Tu and Kevin for being here today. They flew in all the way from China, and thank them. Okay, bear with me, I'm there already. I'd like to thank them for being there when Amy needed friends, and such dear friends you turned out to be. Thank you very much. Friends like family are very important, as they are always there when you need them most. Julie, where are you, babes? BBF. And today's no exception. This is what friends and family do. They show up. On that note, I'd like to propose a toast to friends and family. Raise your glasses, please. Friends and family. Friends and family. Now, this next section I've practiced many times, and it gets me every time that I get it, so just bear with me on this one, please. Amy, my darling, I cut the cord when you first came into the world, and I've seen your face almost every day since, and for that I consider myself lucky, very lucky indeed. But today I feel the cord has been cut again. This time you're on a different journey, which I hope brings you both happiness throughout. Today reminds me of a line from a well-known movie. I'm just a girl standing in front of a boy, asking him to love her. Today that happened when Keith stood in front of my Amy and said, I do. As the song goes, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. I'd also like to end with a final toast to the bride and groom, Amy and Keith. Amy and Keith.
Hands in pockets, boys.
Nope. Good advice.
That's the best advice I've ever given. Lovely. Look at the ring, it's amazing. You can't believe it. It's so amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Are you nervous?
A little bit. But now I'm going to go find an alpaca and have a nice time. We're going to go find an alpaca. Hello! You look so beautiful.
How's the feeling?
Good, happy. Wasn't as nervous as I thought, yeah. Happy. Ring now. You're happy.